Today we're welcoming a new member to the circle, so I'd like everyone to say a big hello to Norman, the newest member of Insectosexuals Anonymous, the #1 support group for those who feel sexually attracted to insects.
Hi, Norman.
Hi.
So, Norman, tell us your story.
Well, I first became aware of my feelings as a child on weekly outings to the butterfly house in Kew Gardens. My parents first suspected my habits when they found my stash of Gardener's World and Bugs Weekly. I tried to persuade them I just had a healthy interest in botany, but their suspicions were confirmed when they caught me red-handed watching Bugs Life, dressed as a caterpillar for the 12th time.
Oh, don't worry, Norman. We all have our stories to tell.
I used to be a ladybird.
But today, insectosexuality is more and more accepted. There are degree courses available in California.
Yeah, and last year a leading member of the Green Party came out in an interview with Alan Titchmarsh.
Although we do still have our battles to fight.
We still have a running lawsuit with the Natural History Museum.
They don't let me in anymore.
Of course, now we know that many famous historical figures were in fact closet insectosexuals, or as we like to say,
Cocoons.
for instance, Darwin.
Paul McCartney.
The Beatles.
Shakespeare.
Shakespeare.
Yes.
Ted Heath.
Oh, a bit risky that,
Henry VIII.
Definitely covering something with his 6 wives.
Yes.
I had a wife once. Before I eloped with a daddy longlegs.
A daddy longlegs. So, you're a legs man, are you, Norman?
No, it's the thorax which gets me going.
6 legs or 8.
The more the merrier. I like to see them later.
It's the eyes for me. Thousands of staring, unblinking eyes.
The thorax!